Nomenclature or naming of elements with atomic number above 100. Until a new element's discovery is proved and its name is officially recognized, a systematic nomenclature is derived from the atomic number of the element, using the numerical roots for 0 and numbers 1 to 9. The new element discovered first gets a temporary name with the symbols consisting of 3 letters. Later, the permanent name and symbol are given by IUPAC. So, the roots are put together in order of digits which make up the atomic number of the element, and IUM is added at the end. For the digit 0, the root is nil and abbreviation N. For the digit 1, root is UN and abbreviation is U. For the digit 2, root is BI and abbreviation is B. For the digit 3, root is tri and abbreviation T. For digit 4, the root is quad and abbreviation Q, and so on. For example, consider an element with atomic number 102. This element is officially named as nobelium and the symbol is NO. Let us see how to get its temporary name and temporary symbol. The atomic number of the element is 102. So, the roots for these digits 1, 0 and 2 are UN, NIL and BI. Therefore, the temporary name of the element with atomic number 102 is UNNILBIUM and the symbol is UNB. Consider another example. Let the atomic number be 118. The official name of the element is oganesson and its symbol is OG. So, let us see how to get its temporary name and temporary symbol. The atomic number is 118. The roots for the digits 118 are UN, UN, OCT. Therefore, the name is UNUNOCTIUM and its symbol is UUO. Let us now consider the electronic configuration of elements in periods. For example, consider the first period. The elements present are hydrogen and helium. The electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1 and that of helium is 1s2. Now consider the second period. The different elements are lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. The electronic configuration of lithium is 1s2, 2s1, beryllium 1s2, 2s2, boron 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, carbon 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, nitrogen 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, fluorine 1s2, 2s2, 2p5 and neon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Consider the third period. Here n is equal to 3. From the electronic configuration, we come to understand that filling of the third shell takes place and that the 3s and 3p orbital gets filled with electrons. Note that though n is equal to 3, 3d orbital is not taken in third period. The 3d orbital is taken only in the next period, that is fourth period. The first period n is equal to 1 starts with the filling of the lowest level and therefore has two elements, hydrogen and helium, when the first shell K shell is completed. The second period n is equal to 2 starts with lithium and the third electron enters the 2s orbital. The next element, beryllium, has 4 electrons and has the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. Starting from the next element, boron, the 2p orbitals are filled with electrons and the L shell is completed at neon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Thus, there are 8 elements in the second period.